I've rediscovered Cousin It in the garden.
Hello, hello.
Today we're going to take a look at a beautiful planting I've found of Cousin It, one of the most interesting landscape plants. Cousin It is a specially selected form of she oak and it grows flat and wide. Each plant covers up nearly a square metre. It requires almost no irrigation. It can be grown out in the hot sun or it can be grown in the shade, and it's one of the lowest maintenance plants you'll ever find. It's got this fabulous dark green texture and it just spreads out, and these ones here are growing underneath the shade of trees in competition with trees, no problem at all. But equally, put them out in the hot sun and they flourish. They're fast growing. It's a way of creating a really slick modern look in the garden that's zero maintenance and looks absolutely fabulous. Thanks for watching Hello YouTube, and if you like this video, give us a thumbs up, and even if you didn't like it, give us a thumbs up. And if you want more of these kind of videos, go to our YouTube channel and hit subscribe. Until next time, goodbye.
Hello, hello.